So today is December 1st, 8:53 p.m. here in Thailand. You see? Happy December, happy trading. This is gonna be the GJ markup for the week. We're gonna take a look at the charts to see what we are anticipating GJ to do, some of the possibilities, so that we can make some money this week. All right, so let's start off. Oh yeah, what? Let's start off on a monthly joint. All right. Yeah, I'm big bearish on GJ. I've been bearish on GJ for the past 2 weeks. I've been in GJ sells. Well, last week I didn't do. No, yes I did. Yes I did. I did. I took a trade, a GJ sell last week. So the last 2 weeks I've been getting it with GJ, and it's been sells because, baby, as you can see on this monthly chart, you see this fair value gap right here. That's all you need to see. You see that a fair value gap price is supposed to, if price gets to a fair value gap and it respects it like this, it filled this fair value gap, it never closed outside of it, and it's a monthly time frame. Okay, it's a monthly joint. Let's let that be known that this is monthly. Okay. All right, so now that we know that that's monthly, that holds a lot of weight. And if you look here, you can literally see, I look for liquidity, all right, because I know that that's what price moves, because of liquidity and imbalances. And it's a lot of liquidity on a monthly chart down here, all right. So monthly, I'm tripping. All right, we're just going to do daily, but then we're going to switch that to M. We're going to make that like that. Y'all got my stuff is color coordinated to help me stay right. All right, boom. All right, so let's go down here to the weekly chart and see what we're looking like. As you can see, price came up here to this fair value gap and rejected beautifully. Let's check I like to see what the fib's saying. I like to see what we talking about on the fib. All right, boom. Look at that. On the Fibonacci, we came up here. We took out this low around the 618, between the 618 and the 786, and we reversed. All right. So what could potentially happen this week is, obviously, we selling. Whenever we looking for sells, we want to see price take out some type of buy side liquidity. All right. So if we have that idea in mind, we need to go down to the daily chart and see if we can see some buy side liquidity that price could potentially go after to bring it on down. And my eye goes to this fair value gap right here. So what could potentially happen? Wait a minute. Let me go down to the 4 hour. Oh yeah. So essentially, I'm looking for a pullback up here somewhere to bring price back down. Now, if it'll come that deep, only time will tell. All right. So as you can see, oh wait a minute, is this an order block? Nah, this could be. It can't be. It can't. I can't determine it yet because it ain't set up yet. So let's see. Let's break this down here. If we can get price to close above here and come up like this, maybe to tap into this fair value gap right here, and bam. You can hold that bad boy. All right, you can hold it. So basically, that's what I'm looking for this week on GJ. Really, I'm looking for GJ to give me some type of pullback maybe Sunday through Tuesday, we look for buys. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, we look for buys. Maybe to pull back in this area. Maybe here. And then boom. Because we got to come get this. And if we break it down to the daily, on the daily, look at this. Relatively equal lows. Y'all, whenever I see relatively equal lows or highs, that's money to me. So boom. What's this? And that's on a daily chart. Alright. For all my trend line traders, I used to be a trend line trader. Look at this. Look at this. So basically, what could happen is because you have to think the opposite of retail. Whatever you was taught as a retail trader, that's what you got to think the opposite of. So, with that being said, if you look at this, you would assume that because this is a trend line, that you would buy it and price to come up, right? Look at that. So, what I would like to see happen, like I said, is it would be really nice if price could open with a gap this week and the gap's up and it just use that momentum to pull back and then we shoot down. We don't know how it's gonna play out, but that's the play. Literally, that's the play. So this, wait, 12-1. Let me not put all caps because they don't be wanting me to publish my thing when I do that. Weekly outlook. Overall, bearish for the month. Well, oh wait. No all caps. TradingView don't like that. Well, at least until some of this sell side liquidity is swept. I mean, that's beautiful. That would mean bearish for a couple months. That would be crazy. I don't know. We gonna see. I know for sure if you chasing, not chasing, if you aiming for low hanging fruit, that's a monthly low right there. Monthly liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Alright. Yeah. We gonna see. This week I'm looking for a pull back to take out some outside liquidity to be used to sell down to let's refine that. That's weak. Alright. We got this fair value gap right here. Now this fair value gap is gonna price want to do. If price continues to break through this fair value gap, then we know it's definitely coming down here. Alright. We ain't gonna get too ahead of ourselves. We're gonna take this one week at a time Remember, this is a weekly time frame, so these trades can take a long time to play out, literally. Like, usually I get in my trades on Tuesdays and don't exit till like Thursday, Friday. Alright, I usually catch the weekly expansion. You gotta have patience though and confidence, because sometimes price will come back to your entry and go below it and all to just go to your take profit. So you gotta be a little, yeah, I mean, you gotta be a little confident to trade like that. A lot confident. You gotta be confident to trade any way you trade, but for sure that way. Weekly, 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 weekly. Okay. That. So that's what we're looking like for the week. 39. Oh wait. The low is 189.565. All right, that's there we have it. That's the weekly analysis for GJ for this week. I'm gonna put this in my Discord. I'm thinking about opening up my Discord where I do my journaling and my markups, just so y'all can see it. You know what I mean? And maybe learn from it, and maybe make some bread from it. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that, and we can make that happen. All right, y'all. Peace, love, and positive vibes. Y'all be great.